Nathan is so excited to eat his yummy sabaw. Yummy green sabaw for lunch.
Let's open green sabaw.
The yummy green sabaw. It's hot, eh? You sit down first, Milab. Dark green siya ngayon, ano?
Hindi rin niya dark green, o parang ano lang niya. O sa'yo, mag-green na niya. No, wait lang, wait. Nathan, it's hot!
It's hot, Milab. Just wait, Nathan. Nathan, you wait. Sobrang excited ni Nathan, no?
It's hot, Nathan.
The green sabaw. Yung green sabaw na yan, yung seafoods spinach soup. Yan yung favorite niya. Ayan. Excited talaga siya. Kaya ano siya. Sabaw! Yummy! Yummy! Nathan's favorite, yummy sabaw!
Yummy!
Seafood spinach soup. Parang ma-dark green siya ngayon, hindi siya yung parang
dark green niya.
Di parang
light lang niya.
parang katulad ng ano mo, damit.
Yummy sabaw.
Yes.
It's here.
You wait, me love heights. It's hot pa. It's hot pa.
It's hot.
It's hot pa. It's hot pa. You'll just wait. Wait. You will say cheese. Okay. Wait. Okay, say cheese. Say cheese again. Say cheese, say cheese. Say cheese. Nathan, say cheese. Look at mommy. Say cheese. Okay. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Happy?
Yes. Are you happy?
Happy?
Okay.
Yes or no?
You happy?
Yes.
Okay. Baby Nathan is happy. I know, no. Why no? Why no? You will eat your yummy sabaw.
You put your feet here. Like that. Okay. It's hot pa, hot.
Hot pa, ha?
It's hot.
Hot pa. You wait, you wait.
Ba't kulay? Yung sabaw. Yan yung green sabaw.
Ano, light green lang. Parang camouflage. O, hindi camouflage. Parang navy green.
Hindi rin nahiya ko ang green sabaw.
Parang avocado green, no? Pero tama pa. Pares ano lasa?
Oo, tara. Ayan, like yes.
Baka dun sa ano, yung powder.
Kaya sa'yo, ma-dark green niya. Dahil what light nila. Ano ba yan?